How to patina. Faux patina. Patina layer takes many years to develop under natural weathering. The metal oxidizes when exposed to air, and over time the metal shows age, time and use. There are ways to recreate the patina look in metal embossing art through chemical and non-chemical methods. Today we will be looking at the non-chemical way to add patina. You will need your embossed design. The designs used in the video are embossed on pewter. You will also need something to clean the oil residue of your embossing designs. Next, you will need a black or brown water-based permanent marker. A black marker will give you a more authentic patina look, whereas the brown marker will give you a more rust-like or rustic patina look. A combination of the two markers can make for exciting patina looks. Lastly, you will need a paper towel or a soft cloth. Today, we are going to clean our pewter using an alcohol swab, one of many items you can use for cleaning. Wipe lightly over your pewter and dry with a clean paper towel or a soft cloth. The oil residue might not be an essential factor for faux patina, but it is best practice to always clean your metal. Patina might not take where there is oil residue from our hands. Cleaning your metal is a crucial step when working with a chemical patina. Start by coloring in your metal and get into all the nooks and crannies, especially the mark making, engraved or low-lying areas. These are usually the spots where the natural patina will be most visible or occur first. Once your embossed design is completely covered, put aside and leave to dry for a couple of minutes. The newer your marker, the longer the pigment ink will take to dry. Use a paper towel or soft cloth and start wiping the ink away. Wipe in one direction only. The amount of ink you wipe away is personal. Some prefer a darker patina, whereas others prefer wiping most of the marker ink off, leaving only a shadow. Lighten some darker areas between the raised or high relief areas if needed. When working on those areas, you might need to work in a different direction than wiping the complete embossed design. You can also touch up where you remove too much of the ink. You would follow the same steps no matter the color of the water-based marker you use. Color your design with the water-based marker, pay attention to the nooks and crannies, and let it dry for a minute or more. Use a paper towel or soft cloth and wipe away the ink in one direction, touch up, and wipe again if needed. When working with more than one color of the water-based markers, it doesn't matter which one you use first, as you can control the patina. The look you want to achieve will determine how much of your embossed design you want to cover with the second color. Cover and wipe the first color, before adding the second. I've used the brown marker first only because it is newer and the ink takes longer to dry. You can also experiment by coloring both colors at the same time before wiping off the pigment ink. Because we know the rule, wipe in one direction, we will break the rule now, wiping in different directions to achieve another faux patina look, controlling where we want more black or brown. Touch up, add more of a color and wipe away until you are happy with the look. Use a paper towel, a soft cloth or a cotton pad and give your embossed design a quick polish. Always remember, the higher areas are shinier than the low laying or debossed areas. The brown water-based permanent marker Faux Patina, the black water-based marker Faux Patina, and a combination of the two markers. Your project will determine which marker will be best to use for Faux Patina.